Hello, welcome to my project diary. In this video, I'm going to describe how to install and start Arduino programming for the very first time. So for that, you need only an Arduino board and Arduino IDE. When you talk about the Arduino board, we are having primarily four variant: Arduino Nano, Arduino Pro Mini, Arduino Uno, and Arduino Mega. But it is better to start with Arduino Nano. Why? When we use Arduino Nano, it is comparatively low cost than Uno and Mega. Number two, small size, and most importantly, it is breadboard friendly. That means when you use Arduino Nano, it can be easily fit in a breadboard, but which is not possible in case of Arduino Uno or Mega. And next is the Arduino Nano has 8 analog pins compared to the 6 analog pins of Uno. Now, what we need to start with Arduino programming? First we need an Arduino Nano and then an USB cable. So for Pro Mini we have USB A to Mini. Now it's time to install Arduino IDE. Now it's time to install Arduino IDE. To install Arduino IDE, open your browser and type arduino.cc, arduino.cc, and press enter. It will open the official website of Arduino. Now click on the software. It will open the download section. Now here you will find Arduino IDE 2.2.1, which is the latest version at the time of recording this video. Now if you go downward, you will find out legacy IDE, that is Arduino IDE 1.8.19. Remember, though Arduino IDE 2.2.1 is latest, but many times we have experienced the slower execution of this new IDE. So that's why I recommend you to install Arduino IDE 1.8.19. Now to install, click on Windows 7 and newer. It will ask for the contribution and download, or simply you can click on just download. Now again, you can subscribe by specifying email ID and all, but currently you simply click on just download. So it will downloading the Arduino IDE installation file. Now after downloading the file, just right click and click on show in folder. So here we have the Arduino installation file. Just right click and run as administrator. Now click on yes. Now click on I agree button, and it has certain options. By default, all options are selected, and just simply click on next. Now you can specify the installation folder, or you can use the default one. So currently I am using the default installation folder. So simply click on install. It says the completed. Click on close. Now your Arduino IDE is ready to use. So click on start menu and click on Arduino. Congrats, your Arduino IDE is ready to use.